Hello friend, Rafi Yakub is here. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to add IDM extension to Mozilla Firefox browser, step by step tutorial without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video step by step and see how you get it done. But before we dive deep into tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how to add an IDM extension to Firefox Mozilla browser, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. You have this three dot stroke right here. Click on that. Add-ons and things right here. Then it takes you to this page right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on extensions. So it's going to give you a variety of extensions, but in some cases you may not see IDM extension. What you need to do is to come to the search engine right here to make it easy for you. Just type in IDM and press enter key on your keyboard. So here you have it. Okay, so next thing you want to do is to just click on IDM integration module. Then it open up this page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on add to Firefox. Then at the top right here, click on add. So at this point here, you need to click on allow this extension to run private and make sure you click on OK. Then it's going to open in a new page like this. If you have something like this, there is no need to be panic. What you need to do right here is that this extension works in conjunction with Internet Download Manager software. And to use this extension, you should have IDM desktop application installed on your computer, and the version number should be this right here, this number here. Our newest version is required. Advanced integration must be enabled in the IDM. So for you to download your free trial, just click on this link right here. So I'm going to click on this link right here to download the trial version from their website page. Then click on download Internet Download Manager. Click on here. So after a successful download, you can come here and read instruction for installation for installation instructions right here. So I'm going to scroll down, then you can read the instruction. Download the Internet Download File Manager, which was what we just did right now. Then run the file, then installation instruction, then install IDM extension for your browser, either on Google Chrome or Firefox Mozilla or for Microsoft Edge. So these are the compatibility browse you can use this app for. So after you have successfully downloaded it, so this is where we have the EFE file. So I'm going to click on it to run it. Then I'll click on yes. So from the point here, you can come here and change the language. If you are not speaking English language, you can change your language right here. It's very possible. But as for me, I'm speaking English, so I'm going to leave it in English language, and I'm going to click on OK. Then I'm going to click on next. Then I accept. Next. Then create an icon for IDM in a desktop, and I'm going to click on next and next. Then I'm going to click on finished setup. So once you finish the setup, the next thing you want to see is to see how you can use IDM to download any video on internet. So let's quickly create a new tab from the top right here, and let me quickly go to YouTube. Alright, so let's quickly check out how to download this particular video from YouTube. So I'm going to click on the video link right here. So for you to download this video, you can see at the top right here, download this video. Click on that, and you can choose variety options of resolution you would like to download. Let me just download HD quality, and you come here, click on start download. So you can click on open folder. Then here you have your video successful download with IDM extension. So you can use this to download any type of video from any website using your Mozilla browser. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in Firefox Mozilla. Thank you so much for watching for this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.